welcome back to this video. I recently got myself the reinvented, remastered Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I just love it. Like, the colors are beautiful. This palette is one palette for everything. So you have your neutrals, you have your shimmers, you have your, your darker gradient, and then you have your bright blues and greens and the darks for the smoky eye if you want to. I mean, this is like literally an everyday palette. Ever since I've got it, I've just been reaching for it. So today I've done this makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and let me know what you think. Let's get straight into it.